In Jesus, the resurrection of the dead. They seized Peter and John, and because it was evening, they put them in jail until the next day. But many...
You had a chance of your game now. You're playing.
Oh man. Welcome to the vlog, you guys. Today it's the 28th, but you're seeing this on the 30th, which means today is gonna be a boom 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 cool vlog because I'm continuing from yesterday, which means today can be a nice long vlog. But today I have the boys, so we'll see. Stop. Good morning. Sit down on the chair. Good morning, you guys. Crap, I think today's the 30th. John minus Philip. I think today's the 30th or the 29th. I don't know. Today's Saturday. Jolly is spilling everything the last Saturday in October. Why do I constantly come on camera looking like this? I just don't look put together. I don't. This is like too much of real life. But yeah, I have 2 clients today. I have one at 9 and then I have one at 11. They're friends though, so I feel a little bit, comfortable. But even though we weren't friends, I'd have explained to them the situation and they would have agreed or not agreed, or they would have paid for me to come to where they are. So, gosh, this one lash. It was all zoomed in just now. Jolly, you stop eating things from the floor. I will beat you. Stop. But yeah, I forgot what I was going to say. You remember I used to tell you guys that whenever, this might be TMI. Oh crap. But my skin hasn't broken out as much as it would on other monthly. I have a mustache. No, right? And I don't like when you guys are so close anymore. I like stay out there. So alright, okay. I'm the only one that gets anxiety whenever I'm peeling an orange. Yes, Jaleel?
Jaleel, stop talking. Don't keep Gigi sleeping. Just be quiet.
Yeah, so I set up the room already, sanitize the makeups, brushes washed from yesterday, unsanitized. I have 2 clients today. This is pretty cool, but just working from home is, as I've been saying, it's just whatever. There's a lot that I'm working on that I don't want to voice. Do not, excuse me. It's a high pressure situation. I don't like peeling oranges. It's going to take me forever. I feel bad whenever I want orange. Look how long it's going to take me to peel the blasted orange. What I do is I cut it down the middle, but the skin, it scratch my mouth. So I can't, like, I just cut it and just eat it until after I peel it. But I can't do that because it scratch my mouth. I just hate when you get the little hole something in it when you peel orange. You know what I talk? And I like that. Oh shit, this is giving me so... I'm high-key stressing out over peeling an orange. My first client is at 9, and then my second is at 11. I washed enough brushes, but now me, I've not done my first. When she's gone, I just wash them brushes and put them down. Come like I've clean brushes. I almost lost a makeup job because my brushes weren't clean, but we had got the days mixed up. And I'm doing makeup classes again. Wow, it's what I know how to do, you know, it's what I used to do, and, you know, as I really thought the formula just didn't work anymore, because I'm like, nobody wants that, because that's what I came back to YouTube hearing. Nobody wants to watch makeup, and I'm like, alright, then cool. But there's so many people still getting their makeup done, you see me, and there are people reaching out to me for classes and for makeup jobs, and I've been telling them no. Because it's just a lot that I had to work through, you know. But as long as I can explain, you know, that hey, I can come to you for a cost, or if you want to come to me, there's no cost. But you know, this is the situation. I have the boys, you know, it's not my home. So yeah, this is really strange, by the way, I should tell you guys, being this open on camera, and you know, knowing that there are people who are just watching me, waiting for me to do something just to mimic. And that really annoys me. It really does, because it's not like I come back on YouTube, I try to do YouTube formula. I come and do my own thing. But I try to do YouTube formula thing. You know, it never work out for me. So I move on with my life. I do what me know what to do. And it's just really annoying, bro. And it has a lot to do with just my creativity, because it's my creativity. I haven't been on YouTube for years. So like YouTube supposed to, alright, why when you come back and me I try get situated? Oh, come sit around the table. Yeah, come here. Oh my goodness, you guys. So this is my, well, I've been doing makeup like underneath the covers, but very, very not a lotly. And this is like my first, okay, I'm doing makeup kind of thing. So please forgive the record. Well, no, don't forgive the recording. This is a vlog. I couldn't get to set up how I wanted to, but hopefully with my next client and for tomorrow, you guys, I can set up a little bit better, where I can have you guys a little bit closer. And for some of the footage, I didn't recognize because me at work, but for some of the footage, I recognized I was kind of pressing down and I was picking up the foundations and stuff. But just to let you guys know, I really wish I would have sped this up some more, but I didn't want to go too speedy, you know, because I kind of want to show. What I'm going to do is, for the next makeup I'm going to do for today, because I have 2 more for today, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record that like a tutorial. You see me? So I got just like make sure that the phone close up, so that if I do a voice over anything, I can explain better what I do. Because with every single one of my clients, the makeup application is different. How I apply is just different, and that is what I love about God Almighty makeup. It's just so beautifully different, and it intrigues me. It intrigues me how I'm going to do her brows, because I couldn't contour her nose properly. You'd see that in the video. I don't know if that's going to show through. Her eyebrows were giving me a really wild, like everything. I was just so nervous doing her makeup, and that made me feel like, alright then, bitch, let's go. You know, because I was so nervous. And that's the thing with me. Whenever I'm nervous, I push through. What you call it? You power through or whatever. Under pressure. I work well under pressure, to the point where I'm like, okay, is there like a traumatic link? Because when there's pressure, I excel. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I know that people review it as a good thing, but I don't think it is. It's indicative to my life not being quote unquote pleasant. You know what I mean? So I've gotten accustomed to doing things the hard way, and that's nowhere anybody should ever be. So yeah, her brows came out perfectly. And I asked her, I'm like, you like your brows thinner or thicker? And she said thinner. And I was like, all right, bet. Speak to your clients, because I've been interacting with a lot of you guys, especially since I've been vlogging and stuff, and especially since I've been off YouTube and now through my tech bus, and so on, see me like every single day. On make me know, say boy, you know, and me make on start back in a makeup, and I gotta say this, right? And from relative, sometimes I talk it so like I understand say it so because I'm me I say it. And them say self-praise is no recommendation. It's not self-praise, it's just observation. And I've observed that people who I've been close. Oh, I'm using powder, by the way. The same powder thing that I use here, but I did it differently for her. Oof, I can't wait for her to tell me how her makeup lasts. I'm gonna ask her her if her makeup did last long. Oh, I'm never go Naru. Come to do my lash them yet. For her foundation, I mixed like crazy. But anyway, yeah. So I was telling you guys that I recognize that for people who I'm you know, a little bit more acquainted with, who did makeup, since me not did the on YouTube, them not do it again, you know? Them don't do it again. And since me start back the makeup now, guess who start back? You get what I say? So I understand, say, yeah, we need each other, and they look a push and they look a drive and they look a motivation, help, and them look a something there. But me not like when it seem as if una wait upon me for the phone thing. You see me, come remember say I wholly perfect me if I go against I try that damn video, and I'm wanting to understand that well. When I see me take up a camera and film and I edit and them something there, and sorry them, I gotta pull this for Jolene. And something, because I vlog too, I feel like the voiceover you can do this. You know what I mean? Because, and that's, oh gosh, I don't know. I love this kind of content. I love when things are, I'm not going to pour everything for you, Jaleel. I'm going to pour some. Okay? I'm going to finish eat that as soon come back. As soon come. Yeah, because this has always been my life. Even when I do my voiceovers before I had Jonathan. Bro, don't me ever do voiceover and things that I'm my master guys say I do a voiceover, I really don't want to edit this right now. Don't it? And it's not only was it understood, but it was not only was it understood, but it was understood as real life. It wasn't coming from a place of I just can't be about it. It was more of okay, I have a lot of stuff to do, so I won't be able to, or oh my gosh, you guys have been you know what I mean? It's not coming from lazy. That's the word. That's the word, lazy. Because that word lazy, you know, it has so much meanings to the people who are it. But the word lazy is just what it is, bro. Lazy. It's lazy. It's lazy editing, lazy filming, lazy. You see me? And just having, I don't know. You know how people say with children that, you know, if I never have children, then I would be better off. If I never have children, I'll be better off. If I never had... I can't look at children like that. I look at it as, oh, now that I have kids, I need to go harder. You're going to make more money. Yes, you're going to be stretched thin. Yes, you're going to want some time for yourself. And those are the moments that I call sacrifice. That's what I call a sacrifice. Not anything that's self-inflicted, but things that you just, there's no going around it. That's what you call a sacrifice. You see me? So now, this is today, you know, the 29th. So after I do this now, then I have another client. And now, in between clients, I'm editing this video so I can have it up and ready for you guys for tomorrow. And when she come again, I'm going to have it edited up and you guys for the following day. Because I really, really, really want to vlog again. Vlog and do daily videos every single day for November. Again, one, I need my money to come up. And that's just a God honest truth. Two, I want to get the algorithm used to me. I am double fisting this algorithm, bro. I'm like, I have lube though. you know, like I am going in on this algorithm. So, and then because it's zoomed out a little bit, because I had to zoom in to crop it so that you guys could see. Yeah, this look just, it was everything. It was a very minimalistic. I was done with this look within, what's it, less than 40 minutes or so. Wasn't about adding lashes or nothing like that. Is it me? And the only reason it took me this long to is because I was kneading her brows and I was kneading her contour, because I've seen some messed up contours, nose contours on Instagram, and it's just messed up, especially when they do before and after. I can see the nose lean. I said, baby, there's so much to even when you have a full face of makeup, I rated your client nose lean. It's an easy fix, you know. Easy fix. So yeah, and I want to talk about this. I said this before, I think. So yeah, let me not speak too soon, but I'll be doing one-on-one classes. That's what I wanted to say. It's in my Instagrams, or it was in my Instagram stories yesterday. So the classes are from $275 to $475 US, one-on-one. I come to you or you come to me here at my grandma's house. So it's just really your preference and your availability. As you know, I don't have a 9 to 5, so this is what I do. So unless I have something else booked on that day, you are my client for that day. So if you just want to do makeup on yourself alone, no certified, it's $275. If you want an advanced learning but without the certification, it's $375. You want certification, which includes everything else and everything else not mentioned, then that's $475. Okay. What? You want to pour it? Be careful. Don't spill it. Be careful, Jal. Let me hold this for you. Careful. Good job. Amazing. Good job, Papa. I'll throw it away for you. So yeah, that's basically it's. Sorry. It might eat banana chips. Well, it might eat Better Munch. Better Munch is the better banana chips. I wish I forgot to ask Claudia who owned Better Munch. I know you're eating Better Munch. I love how her eye makeup came out. I love how I did this. It's just. And look, then she's nodding, yeah. And then I had to cover up her gray hairs. Bro, yeah, we did a full gray hair cover up. Because she has gray hairs. I can't see because I zoomed out. And I'm not sure. Shoot, I wonder if I did zoom in for the other clips. I hope she's not too uncomfortable with the gray hair showing on camera. But I love gray hairs. Jalil has gray hairs, by the way. I've never said that on anywhere. But he has gray, him have gray hair. Yeah. I think it's so cool, cute. I wish I had gray hairs. I don't have them where they matter, but you know, I want to be a part of the gray hair on the head committee. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause how am I gonna show that off? You know, I can't walk up and say, "Hey, me have gray hair too." Me have gray hair. I can't walk around like that. Come on now. That's why Jesus died and he was rose. You know, cause we can't. You know. I really have nothing else to say in this vlog / tutorial. So I think I'm gonna play some music. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm on Instagram and I'm looking at Candy's Needles' baby. I've never seen him. Ooh. I'm dead stampa Jerome. I'm sure people tell her, look at you. You guys, I'm sorry. Okay, bye. I'm gonna play some music for you guys. I'm gonna go and talk. I feel like it's entertaining my life. Entertaining, normalizing. It's entertaining, so yeah. So this is what I was doing covering the gray hairs, and yeah, it's a technique, honey. It's a technique. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm also on Instagram. What else should I discuss? Her daughter's in the room. So if it's any side conversations, is her daughter. I love how her makeup came out. I couldn't go. Okay. So this is what I can talk about. I could not do much with contouring. Okay, because she didn't have any lashes on. The look will be unbalanced if I do too much on the eyes, too thick for the brows, too glow, too much lips, it will be it's going to look unbalanced without lashes. Lashes really balances the look. It ties it in together. It really does. And if you're going to go lashless, then there are some looks that just have to be forfeited. You just have to not do those looks. You see me? So this one I can get away with just mascara. And her fun fact for this specific client, her bottom lashes are longer than her top lashes. How is that possible? And she doesn't even wear, kind of wear like lash. You can't take it off every day, so you lose some lashes. No, but her bottom, I was putting mascara on her bottom lashes. I'm gonna have to stop because it did get too long. Oh my gosh, guys, the video is almost done, and I can talk for 7 minutes. Okay, so for right here, I know how I was using the pencil earlier on, and then I'm gonna have to switch the pencil, and then hold on there. One girl I'm missing on Instagram. Oh, hold on. Do you do graduation makeup? No, I do not. No, I do not. My apologies. I can't do graduation makeup, you guys, because it's too cheap. I won't make any money. No, I do not. My apology. Because right now I charge $5,000, which is like cheap. There's like dirt cheap for $5,000, but because I know I don't have my products as yet, which is why I'm charging that amount. I can't charge $7-10 because my products aren't. It's not at that price point, and I'm not going to be disingenuous. And that has always been my thing since I started makeup. I'm like, why am I charging so much money? And I'm using black opal. And I thought, well, maybe I just stay in that price range. I'm lyric and my name have weight and I'm pay for the name. I'm like, no. So I went ahead and I invested in my kit. Then I charge my money on my charge. You see, I have my Jacobs and them something to make it. Yeah, I charge money for charge. So no, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to cool 5,500, and of course, I'm going to add for travel. So 5,500. Makeup is done. No, in the blue room. Jalil, if I spill that banana chips, I'm going to slap you. If I go back in the room, come here, do a voice over. You can't come out here with that. It's too loud. I love you. Later, okay? Yeah, don't make it spill. Go back in the pink room with grandma. So finish his voiceover. You cannot out here with the noise, Jal. Sit there now. Sit down right there, sir. Yeah, yeah, so I forgot what I was saying, but yeah, so when now I start make back my money, I start them start charging my charge, but for now 5,500, exclusive of travel, and yeah, it depends on the look that you want. I'm not, oh God, I hope this not come off wrong to like other makeup artists in Jamaica. Remember, say una do funny thing for years and funny name dead already. You see me? Or not dead already. Remember, say me have to start back now. So me can't start back at full price point. Irrespective of who I am and the knowledge I have. Personally, me, Simone, me can't do that. Them my friend, 5-5. You see me? I don't know you. A 6-5 if you're my client, but them people today, 5-5. I don't know you, but 6-5, whatever the case. And I'm speaking like this because it's real life. I am not miffed about making money from makeup. Remember, my main goal in her, guys, is POMI. So 6,555. Boy, look how much you charge. 5-5. How much you charge? 6-5. John, my uncle have 5,500. Alright then. Look how much you charge. 6. John, my uncle have 5-5. Alright then. Because this is not like my bread and butter. This literally, it just carries me through the week. You see me? The brushes and the belts. Whew, that is where I am. Oof, man. Yeah, that's where the money is, and that is where I look at her contour. Her contour was laid for this look, honey, and because her skin was so beautifully peculiar, I used a darker color foundation and a lighter color powder to set. That, excuse me. Wow, that was crazy. In and of itself is ridiculous. Hold on, I'm going to. Yes, Charlie. Jonathan, you bite him? I believe because you come out here, so I'm going to say, shh, I never bother saying this. I believe you bite him for true.
Mommy, I did not.
Jonathan, so why you come out here like you didn't want to say something to me? I never bother say nothing. And Jalil come to me. So what do you want to say to me? Beat him, Jalil, because him bite you for true. Put on your snack and beat him, Jalil. Jonathan, you bite him? A teeth big and a teeth big like a mother teeth, you know?
I'm big. My teeth big, giant. Me
Your teeth don't big. Run, Jaleel. You guys, this is it. The end of the look. Oh, for the lips, I used two Anchor Cosmetics lip glosses actually, and Trophy Wife from Sasha Cosmetics, and that Sasha Cosmetics can be found at Mirror J. As me say now, me been a reach out to Sasha Cosmetics and them not fat for me, them not 7 or 11. So I say, alright, them I'm go to Mirror because Mirror J sell Sasha Cosmetics. Yeah, so them can get the money there. Plus, my want put my lashes them and my brush them in a Mirror J. You see me? So, shit. It's the third time talking about it and I have not spoken to the girl. Me give me bag juice already, you know? And the second bag juice is for the day. Oh, okay, alright then. And she loves it. And there was some on her teeth. She love it. She love it. She love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes, Jaleel. I love it so much, Auntie. Thank you. We're all done. Yeah, man. I got tied up now and wash it back and everything. Me, Jaleel! No! Ouch! Jesus Christ, me kick off my son. You alright? Jesus Christ, he bite me now. Jaleel, I'm so sorry. That was straight violence. Don't bite me! Jaleel, I will hurt you. Please don't bite me. So yeah, kick me door. Stepping in your belly at the YouTube and then call my name. If you're not around, put them up there and understand it. Understand it. See. Come here, Auntie, I'm gonna take some outside. Oh, tell him to say, oh, yes. It's so nice, Auntie. It's nice. Watch out! And please, when I take pictures, please send them to me. Auntie, leave. You call my name. You call my name for your grandma. You call my name for your grandmother, eh? And outro is when I tell them thank you for watching and to please tune in again tomorrow. And to what? To watch more videos from us. You're hurting him. Maabit na maan. I know. Alright guys, bye bye. It is the end of the vlog. Please So I have another client today. She's coming at 11. So I'm ending this one. Okay. So we're ending this vlog here so that we can have room on our phone and editing time for the other one. And I'm tired for some reason. I need nothing from morning. I need nothing from morning. Bye guys.